Let's test out the matches. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh. Oh, got 3/4 of the way done with the old project. project almost done. Got the legs, fold up. When it's folded down, you can just slide it underneath the bed. Problem I got though is I'm gonna need another quarter of the length for the end of the bed, but I'm just trying to see what I can do to kind of get this thing squared away. It's 12 inches wide between the booth and the fold-out couch. It's 18-inch high 2x4s with a 18-inch high 2x4 in the middle, 18-inch high 2x4s on the end. They fold in so it folds into one little piece. Hopefully is to get the little piece. I'll build a little piece over there in the end too. But in the meantime, I want to test it and see if this is a preliminary one, and then I'll get different material if I have to make something lighter, because this is not, it's not heavy, but it is a little bit heavy. And what I planned to do originally was to cut them in 17-inch long pieces and fold them on top of each other and pull it out. But right now I could fold that down, and it's basically 2 and 3.5 basically. Right. No, 3 1/4. I'm sorry. It's 3/4. Right. 3 1/4 inch wide, and it folds up, and I can just slide underneath the bed. So let's put the cushion. So let's pull the couch out, and that's how. See how this works. Boom. And then boom. Let's test out the mattress. Oh man. Oh boy. On 3s, bed back to normal. Throw the mattress up on the top of the mattress, goes right up there. Oh. It folds up like that. This thing just folds up. Right, got the little 2x4s. This thing right here is the center, holds up the middle process, and there it is. Just take that and just slide it underneath the bed, and we're good to go.